Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a leveling leg on this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need channel lock pliers and a level. Have an assistant help you to lift the side of the washer you're replacing the leg on and support it. Use the channel lock pliers to help unthread the old leg, if still intact. To install the new leveling leg, thread it into the base until the foot is nearly flush with the base. Remove the support and confirm the washer is level. If not, support the appliance, then adjust the leg until you can fully level the washer.